Good morning, everyone. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady, and today I'm doing week 27 of the Margarete Miller collages. I need an image of the moon, which I'm pretty sure this is an image of the moon. Something local to me, which I don't have yet. Something that represents communication, an old-time telephone. I did fussy cut out most of this sticker, but I just wrecked it up here, so I didn't want to wreck it anymore with all this intricate cutting. Anyways, that, and map or an atlas, something with a spiral shape, and something with lines. And I'm going to cheat just a little bit because I don't have anything local. So I'm going to skip that one, and I'm going to use the bonus of lines, and I'm going to cheat and use the lines on my map. The parallels and the, I don't know, what do we call these? Parallel lines, or I don't know. But anyway, longitude and latitude lines, that's what it is. So I'm going to use that as my lines, and I'm just going to glue this down. Oh, I didn't see this before I cut out the map. I think I would have liked this page better. Oh, that's annoying. But I wanted to get my half of the United States on here because I figured that's local, kind of, right? I don't know. It's kind of local for me where I live. I live in the eastern half of the U.S. in New York. So I guess I could cheat and call that local too. I don't know. But I'm going to glue this down, even though I regret not looking at on the other side before I cut. Alright, so I did ink around the edges of this beforehand. Now I'm going to just put a moon here, and like right about here. Where are we? This is right about where New York is, right here. And New York City is down here, but I live in this area. So I'm going to put this down, and then I have my spiral, which is this adorable little snail. But I do want to kind of make it darker to kind of match the rest of the ephemera that I have, so I'm going to do that. And I have to figure out where he's going to go. Maybe he's just going to be crawling along the bottom right there. Then we're going to have our moon and our telephone. And I'm probably going to look for some kind of words of wisdom. I don't know. I'm hoping I can get this backing off quickly. But it is ripped right up here. So I got to be careful with all these little delicate parts. There. So I think we're going to go ahead and put the telephone right up here. This should be a little bit closer. It's not matching up where it should be matching up. There. That's better. So we got that, and now I'm going to glue the moon down. I feel like there's just not enough on here, but I can't find anything else. Maybe I could find something else with a spiral, or something else local. I don't know, maybe I can find something that would represent something local. Let me check. So I have found another little moon that I'm going to add right over here. And I'm using this bear to indicate something local, because we do have brown bears, or not brown bears, black bears up here. So he's not black, he's brown, but our bears are black. And then I just need to find my words. I think it's actually pretty cute. Okay, and so this is my finished collage. I put, life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful, and so the adventure begins. So I have my images of the moon. Something local to me is a black bear. Something that represents communication is the phone. This is the map or atlas. This is the spiral, the little snail. And then I have my longitude and latitude lines. So I've got everything on there, including the bonus. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.